Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about my brother. Number 1. My brother is my best friend. Number 2. His name is Raj. Number 3. He is 13 years old. Number 4. His favorite color is blue. Number 5. He loves playing video games. Number 6. He is a very good dancer. Number 7. He is always there when I need him. Number 8. We often tease each other. Number 9. He is protective of me. Number 10. I am grateful to have him in my life. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.